This video F1, it's going to help you with what division really means. So right off the bat, I want you to know these words. The thing I'm dividing up is called the dividend. The thing I'm dividing it by is the divisor, which kind of makes sense. So that would be the guy doing something. And my answer when I divide is called the quotient. So we're going to be trying to find some quotients. First way is using an area array. To find the area array, here's what I do. I have 24 divided by 6. So I'm going to start making boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going 6 wide, and I'm going to keep doing that until I get to 24. So down here, this would be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost there, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we were 6 wide on the top, so now I need to count how many boxes down we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this side was 4, so 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So where the area is coming from. My width was 6 and my height was 4. Let's try drawing pictures. So I'm doing 28 divided by 7. Go with 7 bags. 5, 6, 7. So there's my 7 bags. I've got 28 pieces of something I need to pass out, so I'm just doing them one at a time, and I keep counting until I get to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I just checked how many are in one bag. There's 4, so 28 divided by 7 equals 4. Sort of like dealing out cards or passing out candy equally. Okay, we're going to try repeated subtraction to find the quotient. And since it says repeated subtraction, that's really what I'm doing. Like we've done repeated addition to find a multiplication product, like 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We're just going the opposite way, so I'm starting with my 32. I'm going to subtract 8. Have to borrow a little bit here, and I'm at 24, so I can subtract 8 again. Borrowing again. I'm now at 16. So I can still subtract 8, borrowing one more time. And then I subtract 8 this last time, I'm at 0. Be careful when you count, because really what I'm doing is counting how many times did I subtract 8. So there's 2, 3, 4. Notice there's this 8 here, but that was an answer we got midway, so we did not really subtract that one. So 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Repeated subtraction, not something I would want to do if we had big numbers. Find the family of facts to use it to help you. So 21 divided by 3 equals the box, basically. So I'm going to flip it around and make it a times problem. 21 is going to be my biggest number because when we divided, obviously we started with the biggest number and split it up. So when I multiply, I want to end up with the biggest number. So 3 times the box equals 21. Oh, some people know it's 3 times 7 because they went 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. All right, partial quotients. This is one that's going to help us later on, but it also will work right now. So I'm taking 65 divided by 5. I'm going to set the problem up the traditional way. Most parents have seen that. But here's where it gets different. I'm going to put a line all the way down. And now, instead of me going how many 5s at 6, what we're going to do is pretend I had a big old bag of candy, and I'm splitting up between 5 people. So instead of me going one piece at a time, I'm going to use some chunks. So here's a fact that I know. 5 times 10 is 50, which is less than 65. So I'm putting a 10 right here. And I'm taking it times 5. 5 times 10 is 50. And I subtract. And now I have 15. So notice I gave all 5 of the people 10 pieces right now. Now it gets to a part where you have to decide if you know something. Do you know how many 5s that go into 15? 5, 10, 15. Most people would know that's 3. And 3 times 5 is 15. And I subtract, I'm at 0. These numbers that we put on the outside, you're going to add them together. And there's your answer. Let's try a couple more like that just so you can see it. 52 divided by 4. I'm putting 52 here. I'm dividing by 4. Bring this down. And immediately I want to try to see if I can give away 100 or 10 or 5 of them because I'm good at multiplying with them. So I'm going to go for a 10. 10 times 4 is 40, which is less than 52. So I've given away 10 4s. And now I'm at 12. I don't know. But I know 2 4s is 8. So I'm going to take 2 times 4 equals 8 and subtract. And I'm now at 4. Oh, well, there's only 1 4 and 4. And now that I made it to 0, add up my numbers that I have here. 10, 12, 13. So 52 divided by 4 equals 13. Try one more. 48 divided by 3. So I've got 48 inside my box, 3 on the outside. Can I give away 10 3s? Yes. 10 times 3 would be 30. And so now I'm at 18. Can I give away 10 more? Nope, 30 is way too much. How about 5? 5 3s? 5 times 3 would be 15. And now I have 1 3 left. Oh, how many 3s in 3? Just 1. And I add up my numbers. 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16. That's partial quotients. It's going to be great when we're doing 3 and 4 digits divided by 1 digit.